Ever felt like you're just scratching the surface of what you read? Get ready to dive deeper. In this video, we'll uncover 10 game-changing tips to unlock the full potential of your reading. Are you ready for a journey that will forever change the way you approach knowledge? Let's begin. Tip 1. Preview the material. Research in cognitive psychology demonstrates that previewing text before reading enhances comprehension. By skimming headings and subheadings, you activate prior knowledge and create a mental framework for assimilating new information. Think of it as surveying a map before embarking on a journey. It helps you navigate the terrain with greater ease and clarity. Tip 2. Take notes. Studies have shown that the act of note-taking improves retention and understanding of material. When you jot down key points and summaries, you engage in active processing, reinforcing neural connections in the brain. Consider your notes as a personal archive of knowledge, serving as a roadmap to guide your learning journey. Tip 3. Visualize concepts. Visual imagery plays a crucial role in cognitive processing, making abstract concepts more concrete and memorable. When you create mental images of the material you're reading, you activate multiple regions of the brain, enhancing comprehension and retention. Imagine yourself constructing a mental model of the information, with each piece fitting together like a puzzle. Tip 4. Summarize. Summarizing content in your own words requires deep understanding and synthesis of information. This process of summarization strengthens neural pathways associated with comprehension and long-term memory. Imagine distilling the essence of a complex idea into a few succinct sentences. This skill not only aids understanding but also fosters critical thinking and analytical skills. Tip 5. Discuss with others. Collaborative learning through discussions and debates stimulates higher-order thinking and promotes deeper understanding. When you engage in dialogue with others, you gain new perspectives, challenge assumptions, and refine your own understanding. Think of it as a synergistic exchange of ideas where collective wisdom transcends individual knowledge. Tip 6. Use annotation. Annotation is a powerful tool for active reading, allowing you to interact with the text and make meaningful connections. When you underline, highlight, or jot down marginal notes, you engage in metacognitive processes that enhance comprehension and retention. Imagine your annotations as signposts, guiding you through the textual landscape, illuminating key insights and ideas. Tip 7. Read actively. Active reading involves more than just scanning words on a page. It requires thoughtful engagement and critical inquiry. When you ask questions, make predictions, and connect new information with prior knowledge, you deepen your understanding and build a richer mental model of the text. Think of it as a dynamic dialogue between reader and text, where each interaction deepens your comprehension. Tip 8. Take breaks. Research suggests that taking breaks during learning improves cognitive performance and information retention. By allowing your brain to rest and recharge, you prevent mental fatigue and maintain optimal focus and attention. Think of it as giving your mind a chance to digest and assimilate the information, ensuring sustained learning and comprehension. Tip 9. Reflect. Reflection is a powerful tool for deepening understanding and fostering metacognition. When you take time to ponder the material you've read, make connections to your own experiences and consider its implications, you engage in higher-order thinking processes that promote meaningful learning. Think of it as a process of introspection and insight where each moment of reflection deepens your understanding. Tip 10. Revisit and review. Revisiting and reviewing your notes is essential for consolidating learning and strengthening memory retention. Research has shown that spaced repetition, where you revisit material at intervals over time, enhances long-term retention and recall. Think of it as reinforcing neural pathways through repeated exposure, solidifying your understanding and mastery of the material. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards becoming a master of understanding. But this journey doesn't end here. Keep applying these tips in your reading adventures and watch as your comprehension and knowledge soar to new heights. Remember, the power to understand lies within you. Keep reading, keep learning, and keep exploring. Until next time, happy reading. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more inspiring content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.